Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful and easy-to-use AI tool called ReadKidz. This platform allows you to create complete children's picture books and story videos within minutes. You can even upload your finished videos directly to YouTube. Whether you're a parent, teacher, storyteller, or aspiring children's author, ReadKidz is designed for you. With the help of ReadKidz AI, you can instantly generate story ideas, customized storyboards, character designs, and much more, all in just a few clicks. Now, let me walk you through the full process step by step, without skipping anything. First, click the link in the description below and hit the Try for Free button. Then, log in with your email account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface. At the top of the home page, you'll find two primary features: Quick Drawing and AI Picture Book, which is what we'll be focusing on today. As you scroll down the home screen, you'll notice different activities that give you a chance to earn up to 500 free points. Just below that, you can browse picture books sorted by age, such as 3+, 4+, 7 to 9, and 9 to 12 years. You'll also see multiple drawing styles to choose from, allowing you to set the tone and visual style of your book. At the bottom of the page, there's a hot new releases section featuring ready-made templates. You can use any of those, but in this video, we'll be creating a story from scratch. On the left-hand side, you'll see several tabs. In the Explore section, you can browse other users' content like images and books. The Academy section includes tutorials to help you get started. There's also a My Creation tab, which stores all the content you've personally created. Let's go back to the home page and click on AI Picture Book. You'll be given two options: Use My Story or AI Generate. Since we want to create something new, we'll click on AI Generate. You'll now see a pop-up asking you to choose between single book or book series. A single book is a standalone story, while a book series can have multiple connected or separate stories. For now, let's choose single book. Next, you'll choose the reader's age range. I'll select 7 to 9 years old for this example. After that, you'll be asked to choose a story type. Options include magical adventure, modern school life, sci-fi adventure, superhero, and more. Now, select the story sequence, such as chronological order, flashback, or insertion style. Then, choose your narrative perspective, either first person or third person. You'll also be asked to choose the layout of your book. Options include 1:1 square, 16:9 widescreen, or 3:4 portrait. Now, you need to give the AI a story prompt. For example, I'll enter: A lost puppy finds courage and friendship in a forest. Once done, click AI Generate, and the system will generate a complete story based on your prompt. After the story is generated, click on Extract Roles. The AI will identify and list the characters. In our example, it detected 7 roles. Click Confirm to proceed. Here, you can edit character details such as gender, type, animal or human, and category. Once you're satisfied with all roles, click Confirm Role and hit Next. Now it's time to choose a drawing style for your book. There are several to pick from. Select the one that best suits your story's tone and visuals, then click Next. Next, you'll generate images for each character. Click on Generate, and the tool will produce 4 different photo styles for that character. Choose the one that you like best. If none look right, you can regenerate more. Repeat this process for all the remaining characters, and then click Next to proceed. Now you'll enter the story editing interface. In our example, the AI created a story with 15 pages. You can scroll through each page and review the content. You're free to edit or delete any text, adjust the flow, or rewrite it entirely if needed. Once you're happy with the script, click Next. Now it's time to generate images for each page. For every one of the 15 pages, the AI will give you 4 illustration options. Go through each page, pick the image that best fits the story, and continue until you've selected images for all 15 pages. Once that's done, click Next. At this stage, your video is almost ready. You'll see all the text and illustrations placed together. You can customize the text layout, font style, font size, and font color as you prefer. On the right-hand side, you'll see the audio section. Here, you can add voiceovers to your story. Simply select a page, choose a voice actor, preview the voice, and then click Generate to add narration. You can also upload your own voice or add background music. Once you're satisfied with the images, narration, and layout, click on Generate Video. You'll now be able to select video effects like page transitions and animations. Choose your favorite animation style, add background music, and hit Generate. The platform will create your animated story video within a few seconds. After it's ready, preview the video. You'll see a complete, polished children's story with images, text, voice, and music, ready to publish directly to YouTube.
Whispers of the Forest. Pip was the smallest puppy in Mrs. Gibson's litter of golden retrievers. His paws were too big for his body, and his floppy ears seemed to catch on everything. While his brothers and sisters raced and tumbled across the yard with confidence, Pip preferred to watch from the safety of the porch steps. On a crisp autumn morning, the Gibson family packed their station wagon for a camping trip. In all the excitement, no one noticed when Pip wandered toward a butterfly that danced just beyond the edge of the clearing. One moment he was sniffing at fallen leaves, and the next.
And that's how easy it is to build an entire children's book and animated video using ReadKidz AI. From idea to illustrations, characters to narration, everything is handled by AI, saving you hours of work while still delivering professional quality results. The link to try ReadKidz for free is in the description below. Don't forget to check it out and start creating your own magical stories today. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more AI tools and creative guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.